guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm doing a get ready with me, and it's going to be this look on my face today. But before we jump into the video, let me show you some things that I was sent. First things that I got, and you guys know that I love perfumes. So I was sent 4 perfumes. I was sent these products from Dozer, and they are a replica perfume company, and what they specialize in is they produce classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, which is great. And they say that they keep the exact same high quality. They even send you a sample of the perfumes you can try before opening the bigger bottle. Even if you want to return it, you can keep the sample. So I think that's really cool, you guys. And I do like their website. It was very easy to maneuver on there and find out the scents that I like. This is not a sponsored video, so each one is individually boxed. When you open it up, it looks like this. What I got first is going to be called the Oriental Floral, and this is Lancôme La Vivis Belle perfume. I have the real bottle right here that Lancôme actually sent me, you guys. So I wanted to see at least if one or more of these products smell exactly like the perfume. So this is it right here. This is the sample. This is the bottle of it right here, and you do get a 1.7 ounce. I think the packaging is really nice. It doesn't look like a cheap bottle that you get from the dollar store. No, these are actually quality perfumes that you can purchase. These 2 perfumes, I will say, smell identical. I could not tell the difference between the 2 of these, you guys. So they do smell identical, and I really wanted to try that out to make sure if they did actually smell like, because sometimes you can go and get a replica perfume, but it won't smell anything like the original brand at a fraction of the cost. I've had this perfume, the Chanel Chance perfume, and it smells exactly like Chanel Chance. It smells so good, you guys. The most important thing about this is that they last throughout the day. They literally last the same amount of time as the original perfume. So I also got the Dior J'adore Fresh Floral number 2, and it smells so good. Gucci Bloom, and this is Floral 2. This is a great floral scent. It smells so good, y'all. They do have a nice selection. They do have men fragrances on the website as well. These fragrances all cost $29. I also have a coupon code that they sent over for you guys, so you guys can get an extra 10% off using K10. This coupon is only good for 1 month from today's date. Take advantage of this coupon code. The products are really inexpensive. The packaging is nice. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not making any money by telling you guys where to get this perfume and all that stuff, but check them out, especially if you are a perfume lover like myself and my husband, who's not here today, because if he was here, he would be in this video too. Check them out. Another product that was sent to me that I'm actually using in this video, and that's going to be the OFRA Island Time face palette. They also sent over their pressed powder for my cheeks. I put a little blush on my cheeks today, and this is in the color Cosmo. Also sent 5 lipsticks. Shaken right here, Fuzzy, Slush, Swizzle, and this is the actual color that I'm wearing on my lips today, and this is going to be called Top Shelf. Okay, the packaging for this is super cute. I love that bottle. The Cosmo pressed powder that I'm using today on my cheeks, it's a cute little pinkish with some type of purple hue. It's a great color for summertime, you guys, so I'm wearing that on the apples of my cheeks today. My look could not be complete without using the face palette. I use this highlighter in the middle, and it's called Bali on my nose to highlight on my eyebrows, highlight my cheekbone. Which you guys know I love, 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 love OFRA Cosmetics. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye! it.